Let's take a look at a 15-minute break and retest on NAS100. Modest gains, but real wins, without the hype. Trading indices like NAS100 can be really rewarding if you focus on high probability setups. One of my favorites is the break and retest on the 15-minute time frame. It's a simple pattern that lots of traders use, and it works consistently. So here's the chart that I marked up the day before the move. Okay, and we can also see as we're looking at the chart that there is a supply zone right above this high. You can see there is a 15-minute trend line, and we can see that the trend line broke and retested. And we can see that it actually did the retest before market open. And we know that we trade between 9:30 and 11, so we had to wait for the 9:30 bell before we hopped into the trade. So I entered the trade here, like right after the 9:30 bell, after I saw that it was going to continue. It looked like it was going to continue to go downward. And I placed my stop loss just above this zone. So the market moved in my favor, and this modest win added nicely to my balance. So we added about $46 to the balance. And as I said before, I like to take about $100 and use that for trading NAS100. That way we don't lose an excessive amount of money, but we do make enough, usually about $40 or $50, to cover a small bill or a trip to the grocery store. So small, consistent wins like this really add up over time. And I would encourage you also to, after you earn about 40 or 50 bucks on NAS, to go ahead and close your laptop for the day and wait until the funds settle, and then take that money out and use it for what you need to during the week. And this way you're showing yourself that you are making small gains, but they are real gains that can add up over time and really help you with supplementing your income. And something that's also really helped me to refine my trading approach is using a tool called the GPT Trading Style Finder. And there's a link to that below, and it's really helped me to understand what trading style fits me best. So I know that if I'm going to use these short intraday rules-based trades that fits my personality like this one, that I need to take 1 or 2 trades with the momentum of the morning bell, and then I'm done for the day. All right. So while the break and retest pattern is really simple and works pretty well, when you combine it with a style that really fits you, that can really make all the difference. So remember that patience and discipline are key, and we want to wait for a clean retest, and we always want to manage our risk. And we're not chasing big moves that don't fit our style. We're chasing the small moves because that's the stage that we're in. We're beginners and we're learning. And modest wins like this help to cover everyday costs, and it'll keep your account growing steadily if you like, or if you want to pull it at the end of a couple of days or the week, then that's great also. That's what works for me. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this information useful, and share it with someone else who might find it beneficial as well. Thanks so much for your support.